Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. This week is going to be an interesting one to start as the leftovers of Beryl will continue to cross into the United States. They're going to make their way all the way up to the northeast and bring us the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Now, the first part of this week has been super soupy already. Those dew points will continue to climb. Temperatures will go up again tomorrow, but then Beryl will actually bring them to tumble as we get into the middle of the week and on Thursday. We've got right now on satellite and radar mostly clear skies here in central and eastern Kentucky. We had a couple thunderstorms in southeastern Kentucky earlier in the day. Now we've got scattered activity off in western Kentucky, and it's generally moving in our direction. We'll see a slight chance for a stray shower overnight tonight, but it's this tropical storm Beryl now that has made its way well into the United States, making its way into northern Texas, working severe weather with tornado warnings all over the place in southern Arkansas and northern parts of Louisiana, and it is going to continue to slowly spin its way up to us and bring us the chances for some of the same. As we watch the tropical storm path here, remember that anywhere inside these two lines, we call it the cone, that's where the center of this system could go. Right now, even the righter edge error is missing central Kentucky. Now, we could still see some scattered showers and thunderstorms from this, and if it does track on the southern edge of this cone, we could see more rainfall. But right now, it is just scheduled to nearly miss us to the north and west as we get into the next 24 to 36 hours. Still, there's a level 1 risk across most of central Kentucky for an isolated severe storm. Better chance for severe weather in the level 2 shaded area from Louisville all the way down to Paducah. And we're going to continue to watch the chance for wind and isolated tornadoes as this thing comes through. Plus, torrential rainfall could bring some flooding concerns into the mix. Now, we are again going to be on the edge of this. Bigger concerns in our western part of the state. You can see as we get into tomorrow morning, tropical storm drops to a tropical depression. That's what this low represents. It will continue to work towards us here, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms as early as midday tomorrow. And again, a couple of those could be strong to severe as they come in. There's a lot of spinning in the atmosphere with a tropical system like this, so that could lead us to a lot more of the spinning potential as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening. That's going to be our highest threat for severe storms. Even into 10 o'clock, you can see that possibility will be there. Now, Beryl will develop a nice little cold front for us. Wednesday morning, it starts to track across, but a lot of the moisture goes up further to the northeast, so not expecting as much rain on Wednesday. Still a chance for a couple of storms, but our bulk of activity is going to likely be on Tuesday and Tuesday afternoon. By Wednesday evening, a lot of clearing taking place. We'll have breezy winds to tack onto it once we get into that portion of this forecast. Now, if you were hoping for rain, and a good bit of rain, unfortunately, we're going to be lucky to get maybe a half of an inch in a widespread feeling here as we get into the next 3 days. Better chances where the main track of this system is going to come through, and they're going to have, again, that chance for some flood concerns. Now, any thunderstorm that develops could easily dump an inch or two of rain in an isolated instance, but for the most part, we're just going to be battling the chance for some rain showers and thunderstorms into tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday, we drop it down. The oppressive humidity drops to muggy for us to round out the forecast period here into the middle of the week when those temperatures drop into the 80s and things feel a little bit better. But it's another warm one tomorrow before things get going. We wrap it up sometime Thursday, and then it's just going to be a steamy but dry weekend. That's all we've got for weather. Stick around for some sports.